Hi, if you're looking for a powerful and flexible web hosting, then you are on the right video. After testing a huge number of hosting services, I chose the best one for myself. I have been working with this for over 5 years. It offers many shared virtual private servers. In this short video, I will show you 7 features that will help you and make it the best in the best web hosting category. And now, I will show you everything in detail with an illustrative example.
GreenGeeks is one of the most unique hosting providers out there. It is the #1 green hosting, offering sustainable hosting including free domain name and site migrations, plus all the essential features regarding speed, security, support, and reliability. One of the most standout features of GreenGeeks is that they are an environmentally conscious web hosting company. The moment you visit their website, GreenGeeks immediately realizes that your hosting company needs to be green. Then they go to explain how they are contributing to reducing their carbon footprint. Recognized by EPA Green Power Partners, they claim to be the greenest hosting provider to date. GreenGeeks already uses built-in caching, so there are no settings to tweak here, but there is a way to optimize even further by compressing certain types of MIME files. If your cPanel dashboard finds the software section, in your cPanel dashboard find the software section. Optimize site. With this setting, you can optimize the performance of your site by customizing the way Apache handles requests. Compress the text, HTML text, plain and text XML MIME types, and click the Update Settings button. When it comes to web hosting, you want power, speed, and security. This is why GreenGeeks built their entire system using a reliable infrastructure based on 300% clean, renewable energy. They have 5 data centers for your choice, from Chicago, Phoenix, Toronto, Montreal, and Amsterdam. By choosing a data center, you ensure that your target audience receives your site's content as quickly as possible. In addition, you can expect data center features such as dual city power grid with battery backup, automatic gear shifting in diesel generator on site, automatic control of temperature and climate throughout the facility, 24/7 employees complete with technicians and data center engineers, biometric and card security systems, FM200 server fire suppression systems. Not to mention, GreenGeeks has access to most of the major bandwidth providers and their hardware is completely redundant. And of course, servers are energy efficient. Knowing that website data is safe is one of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to choosing a web host. This, and knowing that their site will work at all times. For starters, they take a containerized approach when it comes to their hosting solutions. In other words, your resources are limited, so no other website owner can negatively impact your resource with a spike in traffic, increased resource demand, or security breaches. Next, to keep your site up to date, GreenGeeks automatically updates WordPress, Joomla, or other core content management systems so that your site never becomes vulnerable to security threats. In addition, all customers receive overnight backups of their site. To combat malware and suspicious activity on your website, GreenGeeks provides each client with its own secure rendering file system. This way, no other account will be able to access yours and cause security problems. In addition, if anything suspicious is found, it is immediately quarantined to prevent further damage. Plus, you have the option to use the built-in spam protection that GreenGeeks provides to reduce the number of spam attempts on your site. Finally, they are in control of their servers, so all problems are identified before they affect clients and their websites. This helps maintain an impressive 99.9% uptime. GreenGeeks offers a number of guarantees to customers: 99% reliability guarantee, 100% satisfaction, 24/7 technical support by email, phone support, and live chat support. GreenGeeks also has an extensive knowledge base, easy access to email, live chat, and phone support, and site-specific tutorials designed to help you with things like setting up mailboxes, working with WordPress, and even setting up an e-commerce store. All hosting plans include shared hosting, come with many e-commerce features, which comes in very handy if you're starting an online store. To get started, you will receive a free Let's Encrypt Wildcard SSL certificate to reassure customers that their personal and financial information is 100% safe. And if you know anything about SSL certificates, you will know that wildcard certificates are good because they can be used for unlimited subdomains of a domain name. Next, if you need a shopping cart in your e-commerce site, you can install one using the one-click software installation. Finally, you can rest assured that GreenGeeks servers are PCI compliant, further protecting your site data. Thanks to their shared hosting, you have access to the built-in GreenGeeks website builder to make website creation a breeze. With this tool, you get the following features: hundreds of pre-designed templates to get you started, mobile and responsive themes, drag-and-drop technology requiring no coding skills, SEO optimization, 24/7 dedicated support by phone, email, or live chat. This website building tool is easily activated after registering with GreenGeeks hosting. Under GreenGeeks 30-day money-back guarantee, you can get a full refund if you're unhappy and don't ask questions. However, you will not be refunded setup fees, domain name registration fees, or transfer fees. GreenGeeks offers several hosting plans depending on your individual needs. GreenGeek prices are for shared and WordPress hosting plans, so you have a good idea of what to expect when you sign up to use their hosting. The shared hosting landscape has changed significantly. In the past, many people just wanted a web host to have a flawless uptime at the low cost. You have your small, medium, and large plans, slap cPanel to the server, and you're done. Customers today want workflow, speed, uptime, and scalability to be fully integrated into a pretty package. Over time, GreenGeeks has optimized the starter hosting plan to have all the features 99% of hosting customers want. This is why they provide customers with a direct way to sign up for this from the website. Their vision as a hosting provider is to allow their customers to focus on deploying, managing, and expanding their sites without worrying about the underlying technology. Their scalable hosting feature was introduced earlier this year and allows customers to easily add compute resources such as CPU, RAM, and I/O on a pay-as-you-go basis, eliminating the need to upgrade to a virtual private server. With your plans, you get features like MySQL databases unlimited, unlimited sub and parked domains, easy-to-use cPanel control panel, software colors including 250+ scripts installation with one click, scalable resources, choices of the location of your data center, Power Cache caching solution, free CDN integration, e-commerce features like SSL certificate and shopping cart setup, free SSH and secure FTP account, Perl and Python support. Plus, you get a domain for free on setup, free site migration, and access to GreenGeeks exclusive drag-and-drop page builder for easy site creation. The shared plan starts at $2.95 per month. Otherwise, this plan will cost you $9.95 per month. They also offer EcoSite Pro and EcoSite Premium as upgrade options for hosting customers who need it. GreenGeeks also has WordPress hosting. Despite some features, it is similar to a shared hosting plan. In fact, the only difference I can see is that GreenGeeks is offering what they call free WordPress Enhanced Security. However, it is unclear what this enhanced security includes, so I cannot comment on whether this is an advantage or not. Everything else, including one-click WordPress install, comes with a shared hosting plan. In addition, the prices are the same, which once again makes it unclear what the differences really are.